Hi, kids. Have you been good boys and girls or bad boys and girls? We are KARP from Tumwater, Washington, here to rock your world.
One of the things that they really brought to the table for me was when I asked what their name was, and it's like Kill All Redneck Pricks. And I remember realizing, like, oh my God, they're like the weird outsider guys, like at their high school.
Here, why don't you stand by the fence?
Okay, just for a little bit though. How's the sun look? Does it look simple? How does it look? What's the word? Never mind. Look at how big that church is too. It's like church high school. There. See that church? Pretty big.
At Tumwater High School, where I went to high school. So, yeah, we used to call Chris Slayer. The kid, an old mullet, kind of a rocker kid. Scott was a band geek. Jared was a drama geek. KARP was a bunch of nerds. You know, how we called Chris Slayer, I think that came from the fact that he was into Slayer.
Yeah.
Tumwater High School didn't really have people that were into music. You know, no one wore like leather jackets or had like crazy hairdos or really, you know. Tumwater had a really big football team. They're state champion. I mean, they still, to this day, are probably pretty good.
Wide receiver split to the left and right. He's gonna hand the ball off. Oh, look out!
Football at our high school was a really big deal. The football team were the AA champions, you know, for several years. It was just very important to the city of Tumwater that the football team was very good. And coincidentally, those were a lot of the guys that we didn't get along with.
Swallowed up by the Tumwater defense.
I think when we were Tumwater T-Birds, we were not that far out of high school. So we were still holding on to some of that like youthful angst or just, you know, high school, being mad at your high school or whatever, I don't know. The picture on the back is the team photo the year we graduated. And I superimposed our senior pictures from the yearbook onto the heads of those.
It was our senior pictures and we're all just going like frown. I mean, these are the pictures in the yearbook when we're like, oh. Jared writes, the Tumwater T-Birds just won the state championship for football. Great job, dipshits. That was kind of funny.